Today I am reviewing the APC Back-UPS Pro Sine Wave UPS. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today we are taking a deep, real-world look at a premium power champion, the APC Back-UPS Pro Sine Wave 1500VA, 900-watt uninterruptible power supply, model number BR1500MS2. Let us break down how this line interactive backup power supply defends sensitive electronics, why its true mathematical output matters, and whether it represents the ultimate peace of mind for your high-performance setup today. To understand why the APC Back-UPS Pro stands far above budget alternatives, we have to look directly at the shape of the electricity it creates. Most entry-level backup battery units utilize a cheap engineering method that outputs a simulated or step sine wave when running on battery mode. While a blocky, simulated square wave is perfectly fine for basic household electronics like a floor lamp or a simple monitor, it can be absolutely devastating to modern high-end computer power supplies. Most modern gaming rigs and workstation computers utilize active power factor correction power supplies. When these components encounter a simulated wave format during a sudden blackout, they can suffer from severe electrical stress, buzz loudly, or instantly shut down anyway, rendering the battery backup completely useless. This APC unit solves that issue completely by outputting a flawless, clean pure sine wave that matches the natural utility power coming from your electrical grid. This ensures that your active power factor correction gaming computer, delicate network-attached storage arrays, and sensitive studio audio gear receive smooth, clean electrical current, transitioning onto battery power without a single fraction of a second of system instability or hardware strain. When the power does inevitably cut out, raw capacity becomes your single line of defense. With a beefy rating of 1500 volt amps and 900 watts of continuous capacity, this tower has massive operational headroom. If you are running a casual smart home office setup consuming roughly 100 watts of power, including your internet router, modem, and a low-power laptop, this unit can keep your internet running smoothly for up to 73 minutes, allowing you to stay connected to the world and ride out short localized blackouts entirely. If you are a hardcore gamer or a creative professional pushing a heavy load of 400 to 500 watts during an intense gaming session or a heavy 3D rendering job, the unit still provides roughly 12 to 15 minutes of critical runtime. This gives you plenty of real-world buffer time to pause your game, safely save your open projects, close down active software applications, and execute a structured, safe system shutdown without losing a single line of data or risking operating system corruption. But this machine is far more than just a massive battery that sits in the corner waiting for a disaster. It acts as an active, 24/7 shield for your computer gear through its integrated automatic voltage regulation system. The electrical current flowing into your home is naturally unstable, frequently dipping into brownouts or surging into small high-voltage spikes due to heavy appliance loads on your local grid. Instead of constantly exhausting its internal battery cells every time the incoming wall voltage fluctuates, the automatic voltage regulation system uses an internal transformer to instantly boost low voltages or step down high voltages back to a perfectly stable, safe standard. This constant stabilization prevents subtle, slow degradation to your premium computer hardware components over time and keeps your internal batteries fully charged and perfectly fresh for when a total blackout actually occurs. Turning the unit around reveals an incredibly comprehensive physical connection layout. The back panel features 10 total outlets. 6 of these are fully connected to both the battery backup reservoir and the heavy-duty surge suppression circuitry, which is exactly where you should plug in your computer tower, primary monitor, external storage drives, and internet router. The remaining 4 outlets are dedicated to surge protection only, making them perfect for peripheral accessories that do not require emergency power, such as paper printers, desk lamps, or desktop speakers. On top of standard electrical outlets, APC has integrated dedicated coaxial and gigabit Ethernet surge protection ports. This ensures that a random lightning strike or outdoor utility surge hitting your external data lines cannot travel down your internet cable and fry your network interface card or motherboard from the inside out. On the front of the sleek black chassis, an angled, high-contrast liquid crystal display screen provides brilliant, real-time diagnostic visibility. At a quick glance, you can see your current exact power draw in watts, the remaining percentage of battery capacity, and a live countdown showing exactly how many minutes of runtime you have left based on your current load. The screen also flags potential errors, system overloads, and overall battery health metrics, so you never have to guess if your system is fully protected. If a blackout happens in the middle of the night, the unit features a distinctive audible alarm to alert you to the power shift, but you can easily silence the alert with a single button press if you prefer a completely quiet workspace. APC has also designed this unit with long-term ownership in mind. The front panel includes convenient, high-speed universal serial bus Type A and Type C charging ports, allowing you to top off your smartphone or tablet during a prolonged blackout without wasting one of your main protected outlets on the back. The heavy-duty lead-acid battery pack inside is fully user-replaceable, utilizing model number APC 163. This means that when the original battery cells eventually wear down after 3 to 5 years of continuous service, you can simply slide open the bottom compartment, swap in a fresh battery pack, and completely restore the unit to original factory performance metrics without having to buy an entirely new tower. Backed by a rock-solid 3-year warranty and a staggering $150,000 connected equipment protection policy, this unit represents the pinnacle of premium power defense. If you are ready to secure a truly future-proof upgrade for your competitive gaming setup or home office workstation during this major shopping event, the APC 1500VA Pure Sine Wave uninterruptible power supply stands out as an absolute necessity that guarantees your data and expensive hardware remain perfectly safe through any electrical storm.